Hi everybody and welcome. Today we'll be discussing about how to set up Shopify automatic discounts. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Now we recently discussed about how you can add your discounts using this gift card options, but let's just say you want to add different kind of discounts. So for that you can search that on top search bar, search in here for discount, and then you're going to head over to Shopify App Store. You will find a lot of integrations related to discount purposes, like for example bulk discount sales, unlimited bundles and discounts, and you can see we have all these. So let's just say discounty, and you can provide different discounts in here. So make sure to give a try to this, and it will be totally automatic. And yeah, I hope this is going to be something that you're looking for. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other questions. And yeah, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.